My extracurricular project was amphibians. What are amphibians? Amphibians in the Greek translation means double in life because they live in land and in water. They literally live double lives. What is their structure? They all have 4 limbs and a vertebrae. They have very weak skin, so things can pass through easily. Their body temperature is the same as the temperature of their environment, so they are conformers. They have gills for breathing, and their skin can absorb oxygen to breathe. Some can be toxic, and some can also be very poisonous. Getting food and digesting. Amphibians switch their diet throughout the year, but mainly eat insects. Larger amphibians can eat larger things like mice. Frogs can only take one mouthful because they can't chew because they don't have teeth. Amphibians digest the same as humans. Their special adaptation for eating, though, is that their mouth acts like a vacuum when they are in the water. Gas exchange. Larval amphibians or young amphibians breathe through their gills and skin. Adults lose their gills though and respire through the lungs and through the skin. These are the steps in the way they breathe. When an amphibian's mouth drops, air rushes in. 2. When a nostril is closed and mouth floor rises, air is forced into the lungs. 3. The mouth lowers and the air is forced out of the lungs. Then the nostril opens and the mouth floor rises again, forcing air out of the nostril. Here's a video also. How do they reproduce? They reproduce sexually. Typically, a female will release her egg into the water where a male can inject his sperm into. On rare occasions, though, amphibians use internal fertilization, where eggs are fertilized inside the female and then let go of. How do they impact humans? Amphibians are indicator species. This means that they are very sensitive to environmental changes, and when environment changes, this can kill them. For example, if there is lots of pollution in the environment, many frogs will die and people will realize that something is wrong with their environment/habitat. They also take up lots of biomass in their ecosystem. Ways they help medically. They have cancer-fighting proteins found in their skin. Also, the way frogs hear is similar to ours, so they can use frogs to help hearing disorders. Last of all, certain Japanese frogs can also regenerate parts of their eyes, and this can lead to regenerating tissues in humans. What is their commercial importance? They are used for human health. They provide vital biomedicines, antibiotics/stimulants. They help heart attack victims and treatments for diverse diseases including depression, stroke, seizures, Alzheimer's, and cancer. They are also used as pets all around the world. Last of all, in Asia, lots of people eat frogs. What is their ecological importance? Since amphibians are dual-life species, meaning they live on land and in water, they are very important. If amphibians go extinct, it's like losing 2 species instead of 1. Amphibians eat lots of insects, considered to be the largest predator of insects, so they reduce mosquito-borne illnesses. Amphibians also change their diet based on the time of the year, so amphibians constantly switch between trophic levels. Do they have any special adaptations? They live on land and in water. They have chemical defenses. Most amphibians have poisons secreted into their skin, which can kill animals if eaten. Most poisonous amphibians have brightly colored skin, so animals know to stay away. Amphibians that are not poisonous are usually dark and blend into trees. And many amphibians have eyes on the side of their head to see outside the water when swimming. That's it.